Artificial intelligence is no longer just a buzzword. It's becoming the backbone of every modern SaaS company. But we've entered a new phase, something far more powerful and far more disruptive: AI agents. These aren't just chatbots or automation tools, they're digital workers that can plan, execute, and learn all on their own. Let's start with the basics. AI agents are autonomous systems that don't just follow instructions, they understand goals, make decisions, and take action to achieve them. Think of them as digital employees. They can analyze data, schedule meetings, write code, manage customer support, and even handle entire business workflows with little to no human input. Just a few years ago, this sounded impossible, but today tools like OpenAI's GPTs, Anthropic's Claude projects, and Google's Gemini extensions are making it a reality. And the craziest part, most of the apps you're using right now, like Notion, HubSpot, ClickUp, or even Canva, are quietly integrating these AI agents into their systems. In other words, SaaS isn't just software as a service anymore. It's smart software as a service. Now let's talk about why this is happening. The SaaS industry is reaching a point where traditional automation isn't enough. You can only build so many rule-based systems before they hit a wall. Businesses don't just want tools, they want partners that think and adapt. That's where AI agents come in. Imagine a marketing platform that doesn't just show you analytics, but automatically launches optimized ad campaigns based on audience behavior, or a project management tool that doesn't just track deadlines, but assigns tasks, monitors progress, and writes status reports for you. These AI-powered SaaS platforms are becoming self-managing ecosystems, and this shift is being led by some of the biggest names in tech. OpenAI recently introduced custom GPTs that businesses can train with their own data, creating highly specialized AI agents that fit right into workflows. Google's Gemini is building AI extensions that connect with Docs, Sheets, and Gmail, turning everyday tools into intelligent assistants. Microsoft is integrating Copilot across its SaaS suite, from Word to Excel to Teams, making automation feel natural and built-in. Every SaaS company is racing to embed AI agents because if they don't, they risk becoming irrelevant. But what makes these agents different from traditional automation or even standard AI models? It's one simple thing: autonomy. AI agents aren't just responding to commands. They're taking initiative. They can identify problems, propose solutions, and execute actions without being micromanaged. For example, imagine a customer support system where an AI agent doesn't just reply to messages, it identifies recurring complaints, suggests fixes to the product team, and updates FAQs automatically. This level of independence changes everything. It means lower costs, faster decisions, and better scalability for SaaS providers and users alike. But there's another reason AI agents are becoming such a big deal: they're changing the business model of SaaS itself. Traditionally, SaaS tools charge users for access monthly or yearly subscriptions, but with AI agents, the value shifts to results. Businesses might soon pay based on outcomes like how many leads an AI agent converts, how much revenue it generates, or how much time it saves. In other words, SaaS is moving from subscription-based to performance-based. That's a massive transformation. And we're already seeing startups build entirely around this new model. Platforms like Devin, the world's first AI software engineer, can write, test, and deploy code functioning as a full-time developer. Auto GTTs are handling multi-step business operations, from generating leads to sending emails to updating CRMs, and agent-based CRMs are starting to appear, capable of managing customer relationships end-to-end. This is the AI agent revolution, and it's only getting started. But of course, every revolution comes with risks. As these AI agents become more capable, the biggest concern is reliability. What happens when an AI agent makes a decision that causes financial loss or data exposure? Who's responsible: the user, the company, or the AI developer? Regulation hasn't caught up yet, and that's why companies are being cautious. But make no mistake, the pressure to adopt is intense. If your competitors are automating 80% of their workflows and cutting costs by half, you can't afford to sit still. There's also the question of jobs. Will AI agents replace entire teams? The short answer, yes, some roles will disappear, but new roles will also emerge: AI trainers, prompt engineers, agent supervisors, and human AI collaboration specialists. Just like the internet didn't kill business, it redefined it. AI agents will reshape how we work. The winners will be those who learn how to work with these agents, not against them. And this brings us to the most exciting part: the future of SaaS in the AI era. In the next few years, we won't be talking about SaaS platforms anymore. We'll be talking about AI ecosystems. Imagine a future where your marketing AI talks to your finance AI, which talks to your customer support AI, all working together without human coordination. Businesses will simply tell their system a goal: grow our user base by 10% this month, and the network of AI agents will figure out how to make it happen. That's not science fiction anymore. Companies like OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic are already building the foundations for this interconnected AI economy. The SaaS landscape of 2030 might not even have traditional dashboards, buttons, or settings. Instead, it'll feel like talking to a team of digital experts who understand your business as well as you do. And here's something even more powerful: this shift democratizes technology. You no longer need to know coding, data analysis, or design to build a startup. You just need to know how to direct AI agents. Entrepreneurs, freelancers, and small businesses can now compete with massive corporations because they can scale instantly with the help of AI. The barrier to entry is falling faster than ever before. So, where does this all lead? We're entering a world where the line between human intelligence and artificial intelligence is blurring. SaaS isn't just evolving, it's becoming alive in a sense. These AI agents can perceive goals, learn from feedback, and adapt just like humans. It's the next big step in the evolution of technology, and it's happening right before our eyes. So the next time you use your favorite SaaS app, whether it's for marketing, writing, design, or data, remember this: there's probably an AI agent working behind the scenes, learning from you, improving your workflow, and preparing for a future where automation isn't just an option, it's the foundation. Because the AI agent revolution isn't coming, it's already here.